Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this new price on a RV garage pool home. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out at 3156 Shoshone Drive on the south side of town, close to Havasu Riviera. This was just reduced to $685. Nice little street. Haven't seen a car since I've been here. Nice houses around, no junk. So you have some gated side RV boat type parking. A nice little front entry courtyard. Alright, so you have cool glass double entry doors. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2005. 1,844 square feet. Sits on a pretty big lot, 11,718 square feet. Again, this one was just reduced to $685, and it is being sold in as-is condition. So usually when we see stuff that's being sold as is here, it kind of means that it's kind of like an estate sale or somebody died. They don't have the ability to do any repairs or anything. We still would get our 10-day due diligence period, of course. So you have a rear kitchen, tile tops. Looks like somebody must have jumped up on the bar a little hard, so it's a little rough on the grout. But easy fix. Looks like it has a little trash compactor too. Has a little skylight in the kitchen. So this is a split floor plan, so you have the master on one side and the guest bedrooms on the other side. This also has a couple bonus rooms we'll check out. Alright, so this is the master. Has a slider out to the backyard pool area. Some pot shelves, vaulted ceilings, or not vaulted ceilings, but they're tall ceilings. Looks like there's a little evidence of a past moisture on the ceiling here maybe, but it doesn't look wet. Or maybe it's just a bad texture job, I'm not sure. So you have an indoor walk-in closet. You have your master bath with dual sinks, same tile tops, little jetted tub. You have your tiled walk-in shower. You have a toilet over here as well, and there's also a skylight in here. So on the other side of the house you have your 2 guest bedrooms and a guest bath. Little double door closet. Little fun ceiling fan. So you have your little guest bath, has one tiled sink, a little small, and your full bath with tile. And at the front of the house you have your second guest bedroom. Tall ceilings in here too. So back over off the entry, you have your indoor laundry, garage access, and this little bonus room. It's a pretty big room. Definitely sleep a bunch of people in here. There is no ceiling fan or light. It's just capped off, but there is a tube solar setup and what maybe looks like a Murphy bed. So it's just a cabinet. So the only reason you can't call it a bedroom is that there's no window in here, but I would probably call it a bedroom since there is an escapable height window out to the front entry. So you have your indoor laundry and garage access. So you have your garage set up, has a 2-car at 20 feet deep. And it looks like there's a little more moisture damage on the ceiling here. So that's going to be an issue with these Santa Fe style homes. When it rains, it pours here, so the water tends to pool a little bit. So you also have a 47-foot RV garage with a 12-foot door. The 2-car's 8-foot, by the way. And then there's another little bonus room back here. You have your water heater, soft water, utility sink, RO system. And then you have another little bonus room that has a mini split AC. So technically, I guess you could blow this wall out and get a few more feet out of your RV garage. So you have a pretty nice backyard setup. Has a covered patio, ceiling fans. Here's the mini split condenser for the little bonus room. And your side access goes all the way back for the most part. So the pool's nice and big. But the little margarita table has pool cancer. As you can see, it's missing some tiles and the grout's popping. The pool deck looks pretty good. You have a nice beach entry. There's a couple spots where it's coming up, which is just a typical maintenance thing nowadays. That's why I know pool guys do the concrete decking anymore. They all do, you know, travertine or sand set pavers. So you have your hot tub. Pretty big hot tub. Little fire feature. A dead fake snake. You have your typical stucco to grade erosion over here from watering. It does have a little water feature, but not sure it works. Looks like it probably does since there's some water in it. So that's where all your pool equipment lives. You have 2 big pumps, and it looks like they have the plumbing going up for like a solar heater. There's also a propane tank for the pool heater, and then they have the propane over here now. Actually have 3 big pumps on this pool. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video of the house over here on Shoshone Drive. Again, this one was just reduced to $685. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.